When it arrives, the Galaxy S23 will have some big shoes to fill, but we are confident that Samsung can pull it off with its new flagship phones. Among this year's releases, the Galaxy S22 and Galaxy S22 Plus felt a lot more iterative than innovative, but the Galaxy S22 Ultra had no such problem, bringing the Galaxy Note back to life. Rumors about the Samsung Galaxy S23 are just starting to pick up, but we wanted to share what's out there. So here's what we have heard about the Galaxy S23 so far. Snapdragon or better Exynos? Look, we are all for breaking Qualcomm's near monopoly on Android phones in some parts of the world. The strongest performers out of all the best Android phones use Snapdragon chips. While Apple Silicon is still miles ahead in some ways, Samsung's Exynos processors are inferior to Qualcomm in many others. We all had high hopes for the flagship Exynos 2200 with its AMD-powered graphics, but the chip ultimately proved lackluster at best. Samsung either needs to figure out why Exynos chips lag behind Snapdragons, or it needs to give up and use Snapdragons everywhere.